Happy birthday to you, mommy. Mommy Alade. I'll be on tour by the time you get this, and I really want to make sure you have this. Your car is newer than my own. Hey,
I say thank you. Thank you, Excellency. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. All I have to say is thank you, Lord. What can I say unto my
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is your first time I'm coming across this channel. Please do engage well and hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my family. If you already subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. All my returning subscriber, may the good God continue to bless you all. And if you have been watching my video, you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my family. So guys, what we're going to talk about today for this my channel. First of all, go to which Yemi Alade mama happy birthday. If you be say you be person wey you no know who be Yemi Alade. Yemi Alade na our popular Nigerian musician wey dey sing music. That girl wey sing Johnny, so na she be Yemi Alade. So we go dey wish her mama happy birthday. Happy birthday, ma. We wish you long life and prosperity. So Yemi Alade can surprise her mama with SUV, that car, that motor. So I'll put the car for Namuna City car where I did talk about. So he surprised the mama with a car, with a jeep. So guys, I want to come talk about today. So happy birthday once again to Yemi Alade mom. So guys, if you be say you get mama, take care of your mama. I want to come talk about for this my video today. If you still have mom, take care of your mom. If you say be best way get mama, take care of your mama, take care of your papa, so that your children will use the born will still take care of you. Many people go there, they don't go like to take care of their mother. I beg, if you be say you still get mama, just sit down, appreciate your mama. You know me say you must to buy car, go give your mama. You know me say you must to buy house, go give your mama. Do reach as your power reach. That is a do reach where your power reach. Anything you get like this, just sit down one day, just think about mama. You carry that, you go give mama. That prayer where she dey pray for you, it dey go a long way for you. If you be say you see if you dey take and say that prayer where she dey pray, you know dey work. My brother, my sister, that one a big lie. Prayer where parents they pray for their children, e always they go a long way for them, even though they know they manifest instantly. Say as mama pray the prayer for you instantly, say the thing will come dey happen instantly. The thing always they work. The prayer wey mama they pray for children always they work. If you hold your breast, say the breast, that is this breast where you take, where you give you suck, say it go better for you, it go better for you. If you hold belle, say this belle where I take carry this man pikin, pray for you, it go better for you. Even though that prayer don't they work instantly, no they see the results instantly now. I'm here to tell you that prayer they work. That prayer, like mama prayer, they work like magic. If mama pray for you like this, if mama down carry her put for your breast, they pray for your children like this. That prayer they work like magic. Even though you don't see the result instantly, say see the result, oh, that prayer always they work. That prayer always they work. That's why you go say mama he go carry, he go the time go pray for your children, go say he no keep person, your person no fit kill, he go really come to pass. So if you still get mama, they take care of your mama. If you be say you still get mama, they take care of your mama. No, they be say you go get mama, you go just abandon your mama. You no go just they think about your mama. Say may you still take care of your mama. May you still ask once in a while, may you still call her, even though you never get. Even though you never get that thing, say you never get heaven and earth, that call you go still call her like this. Now still something. You still call her and go still pray for you. Now still something. If you get mama, I beg take care of mama. Not only one day will not get to mama. If you get mama, take care of your mama, because mama too suffer for children. Mothers, they too suffer. It's not easy. Mama dies, the suffers where mama, the way parents, that way mama they pass through just to bring pikin out, just to be say e can't carry pikin. Mama there is the suffer too much. When I go carry, my mama go carry pikin for belle for good 9 months. The pain, oh, the sleepless night, oh, then we know dey go wey she no go dey sleep, oh, the one wey she go dey throway spit, oh, the one wey she go dey. Some people say if they go get belle like this, then all the throughout that belle na hospital they go forget because they go dey sick. Some people go dey get belle as they dey that hospital, so they as they get belle, they no fit die, and then na so their body go dey. Some they go dey hospital. So they sick until 7 months before how they get themselves back. So they 65 months how they get themselves back. Mothers too suffer. The suffer of mothers is too much. So you will be children, you need to take care of your mama. You need to take care of your mama. If let your mama be your number one priority, take care of your mama. It's not easy to be a mother. It's not easy to be a mother. If you get mama, appreciate your mama. If you be say you don't get mama, you not fit appreciate am before. This video, if you see this my video today, call your mama, tell mama thank you for wetin that is for me take carry you come out to life. Follow call mama, call your mama, tell and say thank you. Say money enter mama account, tell mommy say mommy take it because you try for me. It's not easy to be a mother. It's not easy to be a mother. Now so mama take born you. Now so it take hold you for hand. Now so it take carry you for bag. Mama that is mama to dey take care of children. You know they finish oh. When we say you can't carry the belle for 9 months, you don't born her, can't life, you don't grow, you don't marry. Even though you don't marry like this, mama, so mama will still dey take care of you because anything wey still dey happen, you still call your mama, mama, this is you. So mama will still dey run up and down, make you still make sure say everything go well for you. So if you get mama, appreciate your mother. Appreciate your mother. There is nothing like mother. There is no two. There is just one. Now only one mama let they see. Appreciate your mama. Thank your mama. Thank your mama. Thank your mama. Carry up say, mommy, thank me. Say, carry you come out to this world. So if just sit down, say you want surprise your mama. You know you must not buy your mama car. You no me say you must to get plenty things before you feel appreciate your mama. That small way you feel still give and so be say go still pray for you. Now something. No wait me your mama ask me. No wait for mama to tell you say everything on the go well for her before you find something go give your mama. That shock, so that surprise wey surprise your mama, so you go surprise with prayer. Sorry guys, you go surprise you with prayer. As you just surprise your mama, so as that mama tell you, so it is well with you. Really, it shall be well with you. No person fit distract nobody. No person fit stop you. When mama tell you say it is well with you, when she hold her breast like this, say she's well with you, even though she no hold her breast, use her mouth talk and say my pikin shall be well with you. It shall be well with you. As a mama tell you say it shall be well with you, it definitely shall be well with you. Nobody fit stop am. You don't pray, you don't tell you say it shall be well with you. Be say now you don't. It shall only be well with you. So if you get mama, take care of your mother. Take care of your mother. Take care of your mother. For those some people wey be say they insult their mama, they call their mama all sorts of names. So we say their mama na wench, their mama na did this one, mama na do that one. Like seriously, if your mama na wench, why be say when you dey your belle e no kill you? Why be say e no chop you when you dey your belle? Why be say e no sacrifice you? Why e no chop you? You don't born you come life finish. You can't dey call am man different names. Say mama na wench, mama na that. That same man, so mama will take pray for you, say it is well with you. That same man will still tell you, say it shall never be well with you. Definitely, it will never be well with you. No let mama, no let your mother swear for you. No let your mother swear for you, because if your mother swear for you, it shall come to pass. You know, say you get one statement when mama they make. Maybe say if you say mama you come treat your mama anyhow, your mama will tell you say wait till you do me. Now wait till your pikin go do you. You don't know which kind of statement be that statement oh. Wait till you do me. Now your pikin go do you. You don't know what be that kind of statement. For if we won't talk for ourselves, he go say ebuweluve iromo eluwe. Now so you shall take the talk am. Ebuweluve iromo eluwe. Now wetin you do me? Now wetin pikin go still do you? Now because now your mama dey lay upon you so. If you be say you get anytime be say your mama take swear that swear for you. When we say you as you listen to this my message, so as you listen to this my talk, so you remember say get time we say your mama tell you say it shall never be well with you. Say what you do me now, what your pikin go do you. Carry phone now, me you call your mama, tell your mama say make he pray for you. Just call her now, just send her money for phone. Send her money, even though you know, just even any small thing, just send her for her. Just say, mommy, pray for me. Tell her, say, mommy, if you be any way where I don't offend you, pray for me. She go pray for you and it shall be well with you. If mama tell you, say, it shall be well with you, it shall be well with you. Mama will carry you for 9 months so it no kill you. Mama will be say he carry you for belle wey no kill you. Mama will bring you come life wey no kill you. Will pass through all this all suffer and everything. Take carry you come life. He no kill you. As you can't grow finish, then one can't take kill you. Don't let person deceive you. Don't let person deceive you. Tell you that your mama na winch. Don't let person deceive you. Don't let mama shed tears. Don't let mama shed tears. Hold that your breath. Say it shall never be well with you. Don't let your mama swear for you. Don't let mama swear for you. So children go they curse their mama. They go they curse their mama. Because you don't grow, you can't get right to the curse your mama. You don't get right. Even though we say you be married, we say you marry a woman, the woman they curse your mama. That woman don't get any right. You don't get any right to lay a curse on your mother. Because if you know the suffer where your mother suffer, say bring you come life, you take train, you say you can't reach that place where you did so. When we say you can't go marry a person, you can't swear. You can't swear for your mama. Don't ever make such mistake. Don't make that kind of mistake. Don't let your wife lay a curse on your mother. Don't try it. Don't you ever try it. Don't let your wife they curse your mama. And don't let your husband they curse your mama. Husband and wife go they get issue, you go come they curse your mama. No, don't let her. Don't try it. Because if you try it, if you start out for the beginning, also you go to end. As you tell spread your belt, so you go to lie on it. So don't let that thing be joke. Even with a joke, no joke reach that side. No joke reach that side. No let your wife swear on your mother and you will be the pikin. No open your mouth swear for your mama, because you with that pikin, you open your mouth swear for your mama. Just tell me, don't just know say all that so you swear for your mama, now yourself they swear too. You die and you dey double am, the entire body. You dey Bible, children, obey your parents, respect your parents. Now then after God, now they bring you come life. After God, now your parents, now they bring you come life. Don't ever make such mistake. Don't ever make such mistake. If you dey listen to this my voice now, if you say you have offend your mama, call her. If you offend your mama, you offend your papa, carry phone down, call her, tell her say make you forgive you. They cry for your mama, tell your mama say make you forgive you for that this thing where you be say you do am. Your mama fit swear for you, and this said no go even remember say she swear for you. That thing will come later they backfire you for future. So if you say you know say you get what you do, when your mama tell you say she shall never be well with you, carry phone when you call your mama. Those children say they carry phone, they will have the whole say their mama na winch, that one na winch. Pastor will be say don't drink go finish, go come drink go finish, you go come enter that they pray, go tell you say your mama na winch, really go say your mama na winch, your mama na person will come dey kill you, your mama na person will come dey pursue you. Don't let person deceive you, because deceiver are everywhere. Don't let person deceive you. Don't let anybody deceive you. So guys, now I will for end this video today. As what I felt before, if you don't say you will offend your mama, if you know say you do something wey no good to your mama, wey your mama for swear for you, call your mama, apologize, tell mama say make e forgive you, tell mama say make e forgive you, cry to your mama, she go forgive you. Ask for forgiveness. If you ask for forgiveness, she go forgive you. No matter how wetin you don do your mama, call am, tell am say make she forgive you. Cry, tell am say you no know, make she forgive you. Your mama will definitely forgive you, because if you know the suffer wey mama dey suffer to bring children up, so the children will come grow, you no go take care of their mama, you no go take care of their mama, you no go take care of their mama, you come dey call their mama names. If mama swear for that children, if you swear for that pikin, you go follow am. So guys, I will for end this my video today. Drop your comment, drop your opinion of what you think about this my video today. Thank you guys. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.